Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram account password. To change the password of your Instagram account, firstly open your Instagram application. After that, tap on your profile, which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on three-lined icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now select the first option, Settings and Privacy. After that, tap on first option, Account Center. After that, tap on Password and Security, which is at Account Settings section. Now tap on the first option, Change Password. After that, tap on the account that you want to apply changes. Now type your current password. After that, type your new password as well. After typing your new password, tap on Change Password. A pop-up message will show up which says your account password has been successfully changed. So this is how you will be able to change a password in Instagram account. If you found this video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press that notification bell so that you will never miss another upcoming videos from us. Thank you and see you in next video.